What's up, my beautiful people? We're gonna be changing the oil pan gasket on the Silverado. As you guys can see, I'm gonna be putting in new oil oil fluid, new filter, Mobile 1, and here's the oil pan gasket. And it should be a pretty simple process, which I'm gonna be showing you guys. Just show you guys. I don't want to be putting a step by step. I don't want to be responsible for anything that happens, but just gonna show you how I do it and how easy it is to do it. But other than that, let's get to it. What's up, everybody? So here's the oil pan. So there was like two bolts that I didn't take off, so it was like pretty hard to take off. Well, I didn't know it was two bolts right there, but there was like a rubber plug, which I'll show you guys right now. These plugs right here, they were covering the bolt, so I didn't know there was two more bolts. That's why I was struggling on the videos, and I stopped it and I tried figuring out what was the cost, but it was simple as that. So you take off these bolts right here, and then you take off these that have the little plug that go up here. So the plug goes right here, and you can put a extension with the socket all the way up here to reach the nut. And then it has two more right here and right here with the transmission, and that's pretty much it. You can bring the oil pan down to change the gasket. I was struggling because I didn't know there was like two more right here, but yeah, after I did a little research, I was able to find it. So now we're just gonna clean up the whole oil pan and maybe give it a little wash as well on the outside. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I didn't show everything else because I was trying to figure out why wouldn't it come out. So I'll try to show you guys when I install it back, hopefully. I don't fit right there, that's why. Look at that small little space right there. Can you guys see? Oh, hold up. Right there. Don't have a lot of space, so it sucks though. But let's get to it. Alright guys, so I already painted the oil pan. I know it's not the best paint job on the oil pan, and maybe there's a little bit of grease on there, but it's just something to take off, you know, how it looked before, just so it can be all black. I know you guys can do probably better, but I'm just trying to keep this simple, because I'm gonna be changing the engine on the truck. It's a V6, if you guys know already, to a V8, so it's just temporary. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Came out good, somewhat good. I mean, I'm happy. As long as you're happy with what you do, all that matters. It's not like someone's gonna be looking under the engine, you know. So it's what it is. So it's time to install it. Alright guys, so I already put up one bolt, well actually two bolts, one right there and the other one right here. You can't see that. And basically I'm gonna put on all the bolts that go right here and then right here. I'm just gonna do them by hand right now, and then torque them down, and then put this one right here with the transmission, this one, and the other one that's right here. And then here were the two plugs that I showed you guys. These went up there, and there's like two nuts right here and right here that I didn't know. But basically you just take that one, this, the bolts right here, all the bolts right here, and then the oil sensor that's right here, right there, and you just pull it down. You just connect everything. You just push it to the side, and there's like bolts right here that connect up, like the bracket that's right here, and I guess there's another bracket right here. But I'm not gonna connect them. I'm just gonna leave them how they are. So much of a pain. I already filled up my oil filter with oil, new filter, and I bought a new oil drain plug, and that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna put the crossbar that goes right here. I have the nuts right here, so I won't lose them. And then these bars also that go with the crossbar, I guess. And that's pretty much it. I mean, simple. Well, that's kind of simple, but I just didn't know about the two nuts that were right there, hidden. But basically that's it. Then I'm gonna tighten everything up, add the oil, and fire it up and see if there's any leaks. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I already took it for a good drive and as you can see, there's no leaks down here. So I think it did the job. The oil pan gasket and the oil change plus the drain bolt, and that's pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe to more videos, share it, and like. Peace.